So look at this question number 4. In this question, how many terms in AP is given must be taken to give the sum of 636. So sum given है यहाँ पे SN is given 636. Let me write the given data first. And A is given 9. And if you find D is 17, second term minus first term. 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. So अब हमें find करना है यहाँ पे N we have to find number of terms. So now we need to apply the formula for Sn. We know that Sn is equal to n by 2a plus n minus 1 into d. If you put all the given values in this formula, then we got the answer. So Sn is given 636. N हमें find out करना है. 2a is given 9. N हमें find out करना है and d value is 8. Right? Take this 236 on this side, it become 1272, it become n 18 plus 8n minus 8. Then solve it further and get the value of n. Now it can be written as 18n, not 18, 18 minus 8, 10 plus 8n square. तो मैंने ओपन किया. Let us take 2 common from here. So यहाँ से 2 कॉमन लेंगे अगर और इसको कट करेंगे तो इट बिकम दिस ये 8n is become 4n square, right? This 10 become 5n and it become 3. इसका हाफ हो जाएगा 636 and take on this side it become like this. Now अब splitting middle term लगाएंगे हम लोग. So now we need the 2 numbers जिनको माइनस करके 5 आए और मल्टीप्लाई करके 636 into 4. So what are the 2 numbers?
$53 and $48.
50,
53 and 48.
yes, 53 minus 48. So then it can be written as 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 equal to 0. Now take n common. Remaining is this. Take minus 48 common from here. Not minus 48. It's 12. Minus 12 is equal to 0. So it can be written as 4n plus 53 and n minus 12. So from here we have got the value of n is equal to 53 upon 4. So n ratio में नहीं हो सकता है. So we do not take this. And from here n is equal to 12. So the value, the answer in this case is 12, right? So number of term is 12 in this case. I hope this question is clear to you. Now let's move to the next part. Now look at this question number 5 here. The first term of AP is 5. So let me write the given data. First term is given 5. Last term is given 45. So last term suppose AN. Sum is given 400. So S is given 400. Find the number of terms and common difference. तो find क्या करना है? N find करना है और D find करना है. So let us find that things. So an है हमारे पास, a है और s है. So let us apply the formula for an first. an के लिए formula लगाते हैं. an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula for nth term. Now put all the given values in this formula. It's 5 is equal to it's 45. A is given 5 plus n का नहीं पता हमें, n minus 1 into d, right? So then it can be written as n minus 1 into d is equal to, if you take this 5 on that side, it become 40. Equation 1. Now let us apply the second formula for Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula. इस फॉर्मूले को अप्लाई कीजिए, पुट ऑल द वैल्यूज इन दिस फॉर्मूला, गिवन वैल्यूज, s इज गिवन 400, n हमें पता नहीं है, a is 5, n minus 1 into d. Now if you look at this equation 1 से आप क्या फाइंड कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे n minus 1 into d दिखाई दे रहा है इक्वेशन 1 में, और यहाँ पे भी n minus 1 into d दिखाई दे रहा है. So put the values here. So take these two on that side. It become 800 and it become 10 plus यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा 40, because n minus 1 is equal to 40 given from the equation 1. So now यहाँ से n की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं. तो n is equal to 800 upon 50. It cancel this, 5 1 जा 5 6 जा 30. So the value of n is 16. n की वैल्यू 16 है and we need the value of d also. So from equation 1 d can be written as 40 upon n minus 1. यहाँ से equation 1 से आप देखेंगे तो it can be written like this. Put the value of n in this case, 16 minus 1, तो आएगा 40 upon 15 and it can be written as 5 8 जा and 5 3 जा 8 by 3. So the value of d is 8 by 3. So this is the final answer in this of this question. I hope this question is clear to you. Now look at this question number 6 here. The first and the last term of AP are 17 and 350 respectively. तो first term given है AP की, A is given 17, AN is given 350 in this question. If the common difference is 9, common difference given है 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? So how many terms means n हमें find करना है and हमें Sn find करना है यहाँ पे, right? Now let us apply the formula for An is given. So let us apply the formula for An first. So we know that An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Put all the given values here. An कितना given है 350, a कितना given है 17, n we do not know about n, and d is given 9. Now find the value of n from here. इसको इधर ले जाइए, it become 333 divided by 9 is equal to n minus 1. 9 3 जा 27 and 9 7 जा 63. So n in this case is 37 plus 1. So the value of n is 38. n की वैल्यू 38 आ जाएगी. Now let us apply the second formula in this question. Second formula क्या था हमारे पास, Sn का formula है. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus an, right? So Sn, we have to find Sn. So what is n in this case? n अभी हम लोगों ने find out किया 38. So put the value of n is 38 by 2. A is given in the question 17. An is given in the question 350. Now solve it and get the answer. It become 2 1 ja 2, 9 into 3 6 7. So what is the value of Sn in this case? Sn is equal to 19 multiplied with 367.
सर Sn की वैल्यू n अपॉन 2 ब्रैकेट 2a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू d होता है ना?
हाँ वो भी होता है, and this is also the another form of that formula. ऐसे भी हम लोग इसको लिख सकते हैं, that is this is also the form. We have already discussed this thing.
So 6,973.
क्या बोला? 6.
Sir, 6,973.
Okay. So this is the sum in this case, the sum of the 38th term. I hope this question is clear to you all. Now look at this question number 7 here. In this question 7, find the sum of the first 22 terms of an AP in which D is given and 22nd term is given. Sum निकालना है 22 term का, तो S22 we need to find. D is given 7. A22 is given. A22 is given 149. So this thing is given in the question. Now let us apply the formula for AN first. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So after applying this formula, AN कितना given है? Suppose it's 149. A का हमें पता नहीं है. What is N? If I take this, N is equal to 22 in this case. So it's N is 22 minus 1 and D is given 7. तो क्या हुआ यहाँ पे बेसिकली N की जगह पे मैंने 22 रख लिया, तो it become A22 is equal to A plus 22 minus 1 into D. Right? फिर मैंने A22 की वैल्यू पुट कर दी है यहाँ पे 149 and all that things same. Right? So now from here we get the value of, हमें यहाँ से वैल्यू मिल जाएगी A की. So it's 149 A plus 21 into 7. इसको इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे. So A is equal to 149 minus 21 into 7 is 147. So the value of A is 2. A की वैल्यू 2 आ जाएगी, right? And we need to find out the value of S22. S22 भी हमें find करना है. So now let us find out the value of S22. Apply the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So put all the given values in this formula. Sn is given here in the question, I think. Sn is given, no, S22 we have to find. N हमारे पास 22 है. Let us put all the values given in this formula. It's given 22 by 2. A हमने find कर लिया. At the place of A put 2. N is 22 minus 1. And at the place of D it is given in the question 7. So the main thing is to remember this formula, and after this by putting the values, calculations are there only. So it becomes 21 into 7, 11 into it's 11, it's 4 plus 147. It become 151. 11, yes, 151, and it can be written as I think its multiplication is 1661. So 11 into 151. Yes. It's 1661 is the answer in this case. I hope this question is clear to you. So this is S22. Okay, look at this question 8 here. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP. So हमें find क्या करना है? S51 हमें find करना है. N हो गया यहाँ पे 51, right? So means Sn हमें find करना है. Whose second and third terms are given 14 and 18. Second term is given A2. Let me write it here. A2 is given 14 and third term A3 is given 18. So A2 का मतलब होता है A2 second term होती है A plus D. So we know that second term is A plus D is equal to 14 and this third term is A plus 2D. A plus 2D is equal to 18. Now elimination method and find the value of A and D. Cancel. Minus D minus 4. So the value of D is 4. So A plus 4 is equal to 14 from this equation 1. A is equal to 10. What we need to find here? We need to find S n. The formula is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So the n is given here. हमें find करना है S51. So n की जगह पे रखेंगे 51. So here also 51. Not 15. It's 51 by 2. 2 a की जगह पे रखेंगे. A is given in the question. A हमने find out किया 10. Then plus n is 51. 51 minus 1 into d. D is given in the question. D हमने find out किया is 4. Right. Now solve it further. Then we will get the answer. So 51 by 2. It's 20 plus 50. 150 into 4, 200. So it's 51 upon 2 into 220. These two cancel this 220 by 110 times. So the answer in this case is 5610. So S51 is 5610 is the answer in this case. I hope this question is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Now let's
इसमें
move.
A की वैल्यू कैसे निकालें?
The value of A and D हमने find out की है by using this given terms in the question. Question में given था A2 is equal to 14 and A3 is equal to 18. So इन दो equations हमें दो equation मिली यहाँ पे, इनसे हमने elimination लगाया है इन दोनों पे. तो elimination method लगाया तो D मिल गया. और इसमें D में equation 1 थी हमारे पास A plus D. If you look at this equation A plus D equal to 14. So मैंने यहाँ पे क्या किया? A
Okay,
plus
sir.
D is equal to 14 किया और D की वैल्यू रख दी यहाँ पे. D की वैल्यू 4. So then we have got like that value of A, right? Now look at this question number 9. If the sum of the first 7 term of AP is 49, okay. So let me write the given data first. Sum of first 7 term is equal to 49. And that of 17 term is 270, 289. And 17 terms का sum 289, right? Find the sum of Sn. Sn हमें find out करना है. Okay. So now let us use this equation. Sn का formula होता है n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d.